So if you're getting 6 volts at your license plate light when the engine is running, and you're seeing this dash flicker, but you get 12 volts at the license plate light when the engine is off. This is not the right fuse. It's supposed to be 15 amps, but right here, fuse number 2. That will fix your license plate lights. Now also check fuse number 10. Alright. Now as you can see, license plate lights work. But here, check this out. If this fuse is out, now the lights don't work. There's a problem.